Welcome Tech Brothers Damir. In this video, we are going to start a new tutorial about Snowflake. So most of the time, I often create different tutorials and they are towards more real-time scenarios and cover the demos. Also, this tutorial is going to be the same way. It is going to have a lot of real-time scenarios and demos. Now, it will cover some basic introduction and some terminology, but it's not going to go into in depth of those theories where you read hundreds of pages. So if you are interested, you can always go back to the Snowflake documentation and read more details. But I will be providing you all the scripts used in these videos, and you can create all those different scenarios in your environment. So let's go to this slide here and take a look. Introduction to the Snowflake and cloud data warehousing. Have you ever wondered how big companies store and analyze billions of rows of data without owning a single physical database server? That's the magic of cloud data warehousing, and today we are going to explore one of the most popular tools in this space, Snowflake. By the end of this video, you will know what is Snowflake, how it works, and why it is so powerful. First, let's understand what is cloud data warehouse is. Simply put, it is a central place to store structured and semi-structured data for analytics. But instead of being hosted on your own computers or servers, it is entirely in the cloud. This means no hardware to maintain, no manual upgrades, and you can access it from anywhere in the world. The best part about this one is it is scalable. You can increase or decrease power as needed, and you will only pay for what you actually use. Examples of these data warehouses are Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, and of course Snowflake that we are going to use in this demo. Snowflake is the cloud-based data platform that works on AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. It handles everything from storing your data, processing it, and running analytics all in one place. It is fully managed, so you don't have to worry about installation and upgrades. Snowflake supports multi-data types such as structured, semi-structured like JSON, and even unstructured data. Some of its most powerful features include separation of storage and compute, so you can scale them independently. Zero copy cloning to create instant copies without extra storage, time travel to view old data, and secure data sharing across the organization. Let's talk about Snowflake architecture. At high level, Snowflake architecture is made up of three layers. First, the storage layer, where all of your data is stored securely, compressed, and automatically optimized. Second, the compute layer, which consists of virtual warehouses that process your queries. You can have multiple warehouses working independently, so one team work does not slow down other. And finally, the cloud services layer, which manages authentication, metadata, query optimization, and other behind-the-scene magic. Think of it like a big hotel. Storage is a building, compute is the staff working on different shifts, and cloud services are the management ensuring everything runs smoothly. Here are some reasons why Snowflake is so famous. Snowflake has become incredibly popular because it is easy to use, work across major cloud platforms such as AWS, GCP, and Azure, and can handle massive data sets, whether they are structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. The pay-as-you-go pricing means you don't waste money, and the built-in sharing and security feature make collaboration safe and simple. Now in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and create the account and we will go from there. I know this video did not provide you a lot of details and all those theories behind the Snowflake, but I think as we will dive into the real-time demos, we'll see all those features in real time. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you guys in next video.